My name is Richard Keeney. I'm a principal engineer at Faithlife Corporation. We're the creators of Logos Bible software. At Faithlife, our infrastructure is at the core of our platform. It's what connects all of our products together. We have lots of little business units inside of us that drive lots of complexity and engineering challenges, and with traditional vendors and traditional equipment, we just couldn't afford to make some of those decisions. Cumulus Linux helps us address the challenges that we have connecting our platform, in that it lets us scale economically. It lets us scale in an agile fashion. We can use our automation tools that we already use with our servers and other components of development with our switches. Cumulus Linux has removed bottlenecks on our infrastructure growth. Getting into 10 gig and 40 gig and full mesh networking would have been cost prohibitive for us before we moved to open networking. We've been able to keep the costs at a rate that we can grow our infrastructure as fast as we need to. We use Puppet. Puppet is our automation tool of choice at Faithlife. We've been automating our servers, our load balancers, and many key pieces of our infrastructure with Puppet for a while. Cumulus Linux with Puppet enables us to do whatever we want. If I can write a bash script to do it, if I can use a Puppet module to do it, I can do that on a Cumulus Linux switch. In our network environment, we use a layer 3 Clos network. We have end of row spines, top of rack leaf switches, area border routers connecting us to the outside world and other data centers. Using Quagga in our environment means that we can use the same OSPF and BGP configuration on our routers, on our firewalls, on our area border routers, on our spines, on our leafs. Our team has been really pleased with Cumulus Linux. It's comfortable to them, it's familiar to them, it's just Linux. We have a wonderful safety net, which is the support team at Cumulus. We've had a great experience submitting tickets and working on different types of problems with them. It is our network OS of choice. We're using it everywhere. We just deployed a brand new data center using only Cumulus Linux. We're really excited about bringing that forward, getting that out there, and deploying it at the next location.